So let's say we wanted to enhance this last commit message to include a little bit more information about the merge. We could do so by using the command git commit and then passing the parameter amend. I'm going to hit enter. When we do so, it opens up Vim, the text editor, and shows us our last message. If we want to manipulate this, we need to press I in order to move into insert mode, and then we can modify the text to add what we want. I'm just going to add a little bit of messaging to the end here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit escape to move out of insert mode. I'm going to press shift semicolon to hit the colon key, and then W to save and Q to quit, and then I'm going to hit enter. Now if we do git log again, we see that we have our edited log message. In order to fit on one line, some of the last parts here have been cut off. And also notice that it says end here. This is an indicator that we've been pulled into Vim again. And even though we see some back scroll here, it's just because this file is so small. So in order to get out of here, we need to press Q. When we're looking at text on the command line, say through the log command, if all of the text can fit in one window, then it will, and we'll get jumped back to the command line. However, if there's some overflow, either it's longer than one page from top to bottom, or the message is too long like it was here, then it will navigate to Vim so we can navigate the vertical pages and the side scroll.